Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Amethyst Components in Arknights Endfield. Now, to make this work, you'll be building 4 key machines around your core. So we have ore refiners, a gearing unit, a molding unit, and a fitting unit. You want to start by placing refiners for processing orogenium ore in a crust and amethyst into processing it to amethyst fiber. Power both with electric pylons, then connect everything with conveyor belts back to your core. Or you can also do this one. You want to place your gearing unit next to it, feeding it crust and amethyst fiber, and it'll automatically produce amethyst components. Next, you want to place your gearing unit. So oh, for amethyst bottles, rather, you want to set up a molding unit in an open corner right over here. Now, you want to feed it amethyst fiber, power it with a nearby pylon, and pipe the output back to storage, just like this one. Finally, you want to add a fitting unit to turn amethyst fiber into amethyst parts. And again, connect it with belts and make sure it's powered. And once everything is running, this mini factory passively produces all your amethyst materials without manual crafting. It's perfect for explosives, tech guides, or tech upgrades, and automation builds later in the game. Now, if you want, you can even save this layout as a blueprint and reuse it anywhere. So that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!